Mangalos. I'm 31 years old. My birthday is on April 19, 1984. I was born in Luzon, Philippines. I'm a marriage. I have two kids, a boy 7 years old and girl 5 years old. I'm a 58 kilogram. I am 5 feet in 2 inches. I finished a vocational course in electronic 6 months at Polytechnic Institute of Philippines last 2007. My experience as a domestic helper in taking care of child age years old. I did marketing, cooking, washing clothes, ironing clothes, cleaning the house. I working for 2 years. I decided to go Hong Kong to work so I can earn money for the future of my children in my family. Please hire me because I promise to finish 2 years contract. I will willing to learn Cantonese knowledge and Cantonese language and Chinese cooking.